Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make line graph in Excel sheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the line graph. At first, select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the line chart, drop down menu. We can see here many line style. Now you can select any line. Now I am select the line chart. Now we can see here many style. Select the line chart and go to the chart design menu. You can change the layout of the line. You can change the data, automatically change the line style. Go to the chart design menu and added another style of the line. You can add another element or remove element. Now we can see we make line graph in Excel sheet very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.